Today we're going to talk about concealer. All of us need concealer at some times in our life, just when, maybe you've had a late night, when you're feeling a little bit tired, or even if you just have a cold. So, what you want to do when trying to pick a concealer is you have to determine what it is that you're trying to conceal. Now, if you really don't have dark discoloration under your eyes, and you see that she does not, then you want to use a concealer that's exactly your skin tone. You can also use concealer on places like scars, maybe here. So you would take a concealer, the exact same shade as your face, and you would apply the concealer to the areas that need to be concealed. So that's the best way to think about concealer, is that if you have a darker area, you might want to go 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. But if you just have maybe a blemish or something that's a little pink, you want to keep it the same shade as your skin tone. What I like to suggest are concealers that have multiple shades, so that way you can do things like blend, just to make sure that's the right shade. This is a great one by Shea Moisture. As you see, it has 3 different shades. This is great because you can play with this and you can make it the exact shade that you need. Another great concealer is by Eve Pearl, and if you're a green gal and you prefer a wand, this is another really good one. This is by Zuzu. So what you want to do when applying your concealer is you want to dab it. Your fingers are great, that way you're not using too much, and you want to put the concealer exactly on the point that you need to conceal. And voila, the blemish is all gone.